Welcome back to Metal Fab Creations. It's been a while. We got this mini bike in from Coleman Power Sports. We're teaming up with the RB Warehouse. We're going to build a full suspension conversion. Actually, not a conversion. We're converting this bike to full suspension, and then Coleman will be mass producing it to sell to the public. But let's get this thing unboxed and get it up on our jig so we can start cutting and chopping and fabricating.
Yeah. Yeah.
So we got it up on our frame jig. We're going to chop the back off. We're going to chop this seat brace. That's going to be redone. Probably just come up here. Or some kind of gusset maybe. We'll see. I want to try to use these pieces for the swing arm, but we'll see. I might just end up. I'm going to use the tabs. I'm going to see if I can either use those or just bend a whole new piece. The frame is 1.25 inches, and that should be beefy. We're going to have to do a shock up in here somewhere. I don't know where that'll be. But let's get to chopping and let's go from there. Okay.
Ooh, that's hot. Success.
Okay, so we're going to cut these. We got the rear off, cut off. I'm going to clean them up. We're going to cut the welds off and what's left of it with the angle grinder. Then I'm going to smooth them out with flat disc just to make it more smooth and like it wasn't there. So let's get to cleaning this up. So we're going to file it now. We got it pretty smooth with the, what is this? This is a 40 grit flat disc. I can go over it more with the finer flat disc, but I like to go over it with the file. And then I can go over it with the DA with some sandpaper. Like up here, it's just, there's nothing going to be there. Down here, there's going to be a mount for the swing arm. I still want to file it to make it smooth, just for final finish purposes. I'm going to use these tabs, the axle tabs. I'm going to cut these off, clean them up. Then I'm going to have them mounted on the jig so we can get an idea of length and position and everything. So I think I'm just going to build a whole new tube, probably a whole loop all the way around, one solid piece. So I'll cut those off on my band pole.